It's tea time. It's time for stickers.
All right, my Tea Party squad. So in this video, we are going to check out this Blushing It Value Pack sticker book by the Happy Planner. I received this in my squad box and I am so excited because they have some gorgeous stickers in here that I would like to share with you. This sticker book is going to come with 776 pieces, and this book is definitely going to include inspirational quotes, blush color palettes like I told you guys. They're also going to have some like cute little memo boxes that we can write in our planners, as well as like some geometric shape stickers in here that we can combine and layer with other stickers. In this sticker book, there are going to be a combination of matte stickers for like writing memos or writing like some important events or tasks, and also some decorative stickers that we can add to our monthly calendar or even our weekly pages in here. So these are some of the little memo like stickers that I was just talking about, how you can definitely write in them with your favorite pens or markers and add them to your planner spreads. And then you can also use some of these stickers to have like inspirational quotes, just to kind of give you some motivation for the week or the month. Now, some of these stickers you're able to decorate your pages with all these like metallic foil stickers here, as you can see. Definitely will give your planner spread some pop and flair. You'll have some task stickers that has reminder or remember today to do, appointment, goals, and then you'll also get like some icon stickers. Also in this book, we are going to get some colorful boxes that I just showed you that will have writing memos. You can also write in some reminders. And then you will also get those little designs of little neutral blush tones that would definitely pop with those metallic foil stickers here. These are actually transparent or clear stickers, but it will definitely add a little bit of pop or flair to your planner spreads. All right, and here are some more of the colorful boxes in those blush tones. So the blush, black, and gold are definitely my color. I love these. Then we get these two pages are actually washi strip stickers. These are actually clear, transparent, but they have like that color tone in the back of it. And some of them have designs in it, like this blush one has like the little metallic hearts in there too. Then you have some with polka dots and stripes. And then you'll get some paperback washi strips as well with different designs too. These are really great to add as headers or even to mark important dates, events, or meetings. And then we get some inspirational quote stickers. Let me give you a close-up of what they look like. Love, love this sticker book. And then we get some colorful boxes with some little designs in the back with some page flags. And then some more colorful boxes that we are able to write in. And then we get some decorative circle stickers with quotes in there or even different designs in them as well. And then back to these like clear, transparent stickers. Inspirational quotes that says you can and you will trust the timing of your life and be the best version of you. Do what they think you can't do. Happiness blooms from within. That one I think is my favorite, especially this one. Be the best version of you. And then we get some more clear, transparent quote inspirational stickers here and here as well. Ooh, and this is different. So these are clear, transparent stickers. These are like little border stickers. I guess they're called borders. I don't know what they're called, but they are like, let me see if I can take one off so I can show you. But they'll be great to kind of put on the edge of your pages, like for a little decorative piece. I normally used to put like little washi as little deco designs, but now they have these cute little corner pocket stickers that you can definitely use, and then some heart stickers here. All right, so that was a flip through of the Blushing It sticker book Comes with 776 pieces. This is a 30-page sticker book. And again, I received this in my squad box, and I cannot wait to show you guys how I'm going to be using this. I'm thinking about using this in the upcoming weeks in my planner spread. I'm thinking about maybe putting it in my social media planner. I'm not for sure, but I will definitely let you guys see what that looks like. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to kind of see more of how my spreads look throughout the week and throughout the month, because I do share more photos there of how my before and after the pins look. But if you would like this sticker book, I will put the link down below where you can use my affiliate link to go ahead and place your order through the Happy Planner website. But if you cannot wait and you just have to have this and you want to run to your local craft store, this will be available at Joann's and Hobby Lobby. So until next time, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.